Okay, so in this video I want to talk about the precious metals positions again, namely silver against the euro, silver against the Australian dollar, gold against the Hong Kong dollar, and gold against the Australian dollar. So there's been continued downwards movement here. I'm just planning to sell out of the rest of my positions. The way I see it is that things have really completely changed. It's no longer trending nicely, and all the previous reasons I had before with massive sell-off candlestick and all the kind of other reasons regarding system correlation, technical intermarket sentiment, all that kind of thing, that all pretty much applies in this case as well. So just refer back to TMM number 90. At the end of the day, I'm going to make money net total, riding a trend. Human nature wise, I really am still kicking myself a little bit, not in that I let some profits kind of evaporate since even this morning, and even in my previous closing of all these trades, I left profit on the table. So I think there's definitely something to investigate to see how I can close out my positions a little bit better. But it is what it is, and that's part of trend trading. So yeah, it's just going to be closing out at around these prices, 16.53. Have a look at the silver against Australian dollar. It's 26.617. Gold against the Hong Kong dollar. That doesn't nearly look too as bad as silver, but it's just, I think for me, I want to kind of take my profits psychologically. I think it's going to do me some good, and it's going to bring my portfolio quite close to zero, really. So in terms of so 2207 on the gold against Australian dollar. In terms of what's going to happen to my portfolio, well, realistically, yeah, I'm just getting out of everything. So what's going to happen in my portfolio is all these kind of positions, they're all just going to go to zero. And I'm only going to have the Australian dollar against the US dollar and the US dollar against the Swiss franc as my only two positions in the gains strategy. So really that's it for this video. Thank you for listening.